Hey everyone, so like I said, next up we're going to do something to pull out the URLs, all of them from this site. Um, so what that's actually going to entail, if I go back to 2020, yep, is number one, cycling through all of these months, and then number two, pulling out box scores where they are. And so this video is going to be less about coding and more about just trying a bunch of different methods and seeing what works. And I know that we're going to need these guys down here. It's going to be a lot of Googling, so let's just go ahead and get started. So let's take this, put down here as game URL, and let's replace it with season URL. Okay, let's call that this. And there will be excuse me, there will be a couple of season URLs actually, just looking at this. So we're going to need one for 2018 for that season, 2019, 2020, and then over here will be October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, and then June as well. And let's just see if, yeah, these URLs are all predictable. So, okay, let's go through and say, let's just create something easy, vector to hold it. And June. Okay. So it looks like we are going to do a couple things. This as well. 2018. Oops. No, I keep typing C. So I'm going to do a loop for the years, and then a loop for the months. And then let's just call this all games URLs. And we're just going to empty that as an empty vector. Okay. Okay, let's say base URL search. So this is going to be the URL upon which we append all of the games. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do one for loop, and we'll append the years, and then within that another nested for loop for the months, and we'll just do that. But for now, let's just do season URL, and let's read the, nope, I have to read that season URL. Okay, and let's see. So let's look in that, and let's look for this table. Inspect it, because this is what we're going to actually be pulling out, the URL right here. You see it in the bottom left of the screen. I think it pops up down here. Okay, so it looks like Excuse me. Looks like this guy right here, ID schedule. Let's see if that works. So we can see Gabe's node is a list of 2. Oh, okay. So caption, no. Guessing it's going to be T body. Yep, and this is actually what we're going to want to pull out right here, this 2019, because that's the URL that we care about. Okay, so let's see. Games node, games table. And I deleted it, and I shouldn't have, but we can grab right here. It's going to be easier to manipulate in a data frame format, so let's go games node, view games table. Nope, that's not what I want. So this just gives me the box score where I really want the excuse me, the link that it contains. I don't know if this formatting works. It's typically how it's done in Python. Okay, so rvest get links. Okay, maybe it's just as simple as find all links. Read HTML. Get the link URLs. Okay. Main.page. Okay. So let's take this. Let's update it for our needs. HTML nodes. I'm not sure what this is. So let's comment that out for now. Nope, that's not what we want. Let's actually see if we can find what this guy is. So they're in the body. Okay, so we want a, maybe that's what this is. Oh boy.